In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update app content in Dropbox Marketplace. If you already have an app published in the Dropbox Marketplace and need to make changes to its content, the easiest way to do it is through the Dropbox Developer Console. This is where you manage the core information for your app, including how it appears publicly and how it functions behind the scenes. The process is straightforward, but it's important to make each change carefully so everything stays accurate and consistent. To get started, go to the Dropbox developer page. Once you're there, sign in with your Dropbox account so you can access your developer tools. After logging in, look at the top menu and click on App Console. This is the main area where your Dropbox apps are listed and managed. From the App Console, select the existing app you want to update. Be sure to choose the correct app, especially if you manage more than one, since any edits you make will apply to that specific marketplace listing. Once you've opened the app, go to the Settings tab. This section contains the main configuration and listing details you may need to update. Now you can begin editing the app information. Look for the specific section you want to change. This might include the app name, the description, the logo, the permissions or scopes, or the redirect URLs. Depending on the type of field, you may either click an edit option or simply click into the field and update it directly. As you make changes, take your time and review everything carefully. For example, if you're updating the description, make sure the wording is clear and accurately reflects what the app currently does. If you're changing the logo, check that the file matches your current branding and is easy to recognize. For permissions and redirect URLs, accuracy is especially important because even a small mistake there can affect how the app works. Once all your updates are complete, scroll down and click Save Changes. This will store the edits in your app settings. In some cases, especially for apps that are listed publicly in the marketplace, you may also see an option to submit for review. If that appears, click it to send your changes to Dropbox for approval. After that, the final step is simply to wait if approval is required. Dropbox may review updates that affect the public listing before they go live. So if your changes don't appear immediately, that's normal, and that's how to update app content in Dropbox Marketplace through the Dropbox Developer Console.